Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to mark all text messages as read in Messages app on an iPhone running iOS version 14.2. So this is my iPhone device and I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this. So let me show you first. So let me open my Settings app and then let me tap on this General and then let me tap on this About. And you can see guys, here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Let me close the Settings app. So in order to mark all text messages as read in Messages app on an iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your Messages app. So just find your Messages app and then tap on it to open it. So here is my Messages app. You can see I have this, a notification badge. You can see I have this number 3. That means I have 3 unread text messages. You might have more or less. Okay. So just open your Messages app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened and I have this messages, this screen. And also guys, if you have, this screen opened, just tap on this all messages and I have this messages screen again opened. And you can see guys, I have 3 unread text messages. You can see the blue indicators. That means they are unread text messages. So let's read them all. So for that, what you need to do, you have to tap on this circle button with the 3 dots in it. So let me tap on this. And you can see I have this little menu. So you have to tap on this select messages, this link. Let me tap on this. And you can see guys, I have this screen opened, and after that guys, you have to tap on this read all, this link at the bottom left. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys, the blue indicators next to text messages are gone. And also if I go back to this messages, this app, you can see I don't have any notification badge over here. Okay, so it's now done. So that's it. In this way you can easily mark all text messages as read in Messages app on an iPhone running iOS version 14.2. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.